Okay, we have been at our old office at Linky Road for more than 10 years. That office we moved in after a fire. So when we moved in, operations was very small. Through the years, we have expanded, and we have to take new premises, nearby offices. The office becomes not as coordinated as before. And since we have been there for more than 10 years, the facade of the building has also not been that good. So as we look forward in the near future, we will continue to expand, and therefore we need a more better premises that will show Ricoh's advancement in the marketplace. We are striving to be number one, and therefore our new premises got to reflect that image. So when Maple Tree Business City was made available, we were quite excited. Of course, the new premises is a bit further than the old premises. So one of the challenges we have is convince the staff that, yeah, it may be a little bit further, but the location, the facilities and the facade will really show Ricoh has moved towards the next level, to be on par with the market leaders. In the planning stage, we also decided that this should be a new live office, a place that we can showcase, bring customers in, walk them around with pride. Therefore, the design stage, a lot of emphasis was also placed on one of our values, to be green. So the staff also, we have to go through that education again to tell them that new offices, there will not be any waste paper baskets. So it's something that they have to get used to it. And in the planning also, we have also put in a lot of green plants to take away the volatile organic compound, so that the office looks better. Spacious, green, reflecting our corporate values.
It all has to be planned. So fundamentally, we went back to the drawing board and look at how does the entire new office is going to look like and what we intend to achieve. So bearing in mind that is directions to move from the old office to a new office, we have to look at the entire efficiency cycle. increasing productivities, there is predominantly two main key elements in the open office environment. One is to look at how to utilize our office equipment efficiently, and at the same time, okay, person-to-person interactions, they allow us to walk up to that person's workstation and start discussing without even bypassing any layers of walls, rooms, and partitions. This really breaks down the so-called coldness among staff. It has to be practical, and it must be able to move with times, move with requirements. Therefore, this new office was set up in such a way, all the workstations, all the setups were set up in a modular fashion. In the expansion scale, the workstations are able to scale up in the so-called reduction phase, where we can streamline the office into a group level whereby people can group and discuss in the same consortium. What we are trying to create is an office that is both functional and practical.
Alright, over here we have a sample of the actual machine. Here in our office, we have engaged technology that we also propose to our customers, such as tap and print, such that you will not see any wastage of printouts at any point of time in your office. Now, we have designed the office to open and clean. Therefore, when you look over at the whole area, you will not find any personal printers of any kind. All you will see for this department of over 80 staff, 2 machines to cater for everybody. Right. In addition, we have added plants to balance the carbon emissions of our machines. And lastly, all machines that were delivered have the green label logo here. This is Office Consulting by Ricoh. Thank you.
Aspect, we have the support of all major players, meaning the GMs of all divisions, to come in and explain the requirements of each department without requiring more than what was necessary. Therefore, what we did next was simply to measure the volumes that were printed every month using our OC methods, and also understanding the document workflow, and then designing it such that the correct machines were used for the correct placements at the new office.
When I first come to this office, people keep asking me, what is so special about this office? I mean, well, this is a green office. Why? Because you got a lot of green trees here now. You'll be surprised, you can't see any waste paper basket lying around. We only got recycle bins. Spacious, very spacious environment. You can walk around. We are even joking, wow, I can play bowling there, bowling lane, just in front of my desk. So it's a very wonderful setup, very wonderful design. So I think the organizing committee has done a great job. Thank you.
How do I feel working in the Ricoh new office? Well, compared to the older one, it's so much better. Feel motivated, more motivated to come to work, and I think it better reflects our corporate image, or the sort of image that we want to project. So yeah, very much happier.
Ricoh new office at the Maple Tree Business Center really helps us to improve all the office productivity and also efficiency. I personally, and include all my colleagues, we love the office very much. It's a great place to work with, best environment, and with this office we understand how to be more green and to share with our valued customers.
New office is fabulous. Well, I like everything here. The pantry where we can relax and chill out. The conference room, no unsightly cables. We have the overhead projectors. It's give you a very high-tech feeling.